everyone living in the United States could legally get a new FICO file via the 1974 Privacy Act law with 720 plus scores across all bureaus just starting out. I researched all the different services and I decided to give legalnewcreditfile.com a try. It was one of those what do I have to lose moments, since my FICO file was so messed up and I've tried for so long to fix it without anything working. And let me tell you, it was worth it. Not only was the process super easy, but the results mind-blowing. I can't believe I now have a brand new consumer FICO file with a new starting scores of 720 plus. I'm amazed. Check out my scores. And the best part, it was tailored just for me. I really just needed a couple of new credit cards and to be able to get into an apartment. So I got the basic package with legalnewcreditfile.com. But now I can build my new FICO file and get access to so many more accounts and services legally. It's not every day you find something that actually delivers on its promises, right? So here's my advice. Don't just take my word for it. Check it out for yourself. Swipe up or click the link below to check it out. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.